Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to add music only to your WhatsApp status. Music means your song, audio, clips. Okay, so for this guys, what you need to do, first you need to update the app from the Play Store. If you are using iPhone, open the App Store and update the app. After updating, open the app. This is the new feature rolling out from the WhatsApp, and go to your WhatsApp status and tap on add status. And here you don't need to select any photo, video, anything. If you want to just add only music, song to your status, just select the song from here, music from here, and here you can get the songs. If you want to search any song, here you can easily able to search it like this. Okay, and then tap on that song which you want to add like this. Now the song status was add to your WhatsApp, as you can see guys. If you want to set this, just tap on send button. Okay, so this is the easy and very simple method to set music only on the WhatsApp status. Okay, so that's for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.